Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 66 black Corvette with a numbers matching 427 390 horse up front. And it's hooked up to the numbers matching 4-speed. She's black and she's beautiful. Look at those reflections. Look at the emblems. They all look brand new. The chrome on the front bumpers look brand new. The grill's in beautiful shape, and I tell you what, my hat is off to the painter on this thing. He did one beautiful job laying down that slick black paint. Man, it looks good. When you look down the side, she's straight as an arrow. Everything about the car, wait till you see it on the lift. The bottom side is pretty as can be. It's got the aluminum wheels on it, the side pipes, the whole 9 yards here, guys. And we're gonna check out the interior right now. Let me open up this door. Man, doesn't that look beautiful? The wood steering wheel, all the chrome on the dash, the lenses on the gauges, the upholstery, the paint work, the carpeting, just everything in there is just absolutely beautiful. It's one gorgeous car. I tell you what, if you were driving this back in 1966, you were on the top of the heap, baby. She is an amazing machine. And like I said, 427, 390 horse. And you get to shift gears, make some noise with those side pipes, wake up the neighbors. Look at the back end of this car, man. I tell you what, that's what most people were looking at, is the back end of these cars, because nobody could get in front of them. Beautiful car. Glass is looking good. Look at that paint work. She is a gorgeous car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this car, so you know we did our homework before we laid out our money. The first thing that happens to every car is they go up on the lift so we can check out the bottom side and tell you all about it. We also take our pictures, do our videos, so you can see exactly what dream we're gonna park in your driveway. Now you can check us out on the web at vanguardmotorsales.com. You're watching us on YouTube right now, and if you want to see about 40 new videos just like this every month, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get a new car in. All right, we're in the 66 Vette now, and it is nasty outside. It snowed. It's about 5 degrees. We're not driving this beauty in that awful weather. Now, if the car does not sell by the time it gets nice out, I will drive this out on the road. I did get a chance to drive this before it snowed, and I tell you what, she drives amazing. Bunch of horsepower, drives just like a Corvette should, and she is beautiful. As you can see down here on the dash, all the gauges look good. I mean, this has got to look like what it looked like back in '66. Looking sweet. We got great looking wood on the steering wheel here. You can see all the chrome and all the finishes are looking good. And we can deliver this car anywhere in the world, so just give us a call. And we've got this telescoping wheel too. Isn't that cool? So you can call Tom anytime and he would tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Also, we can help out with financing. We got several bankers we can help out with financing and we're close to the airport. So if you live a long way away, you want to fly in, a lot of people can fly in the morning, do business, and fly right back out the same evening. And we'll even come to the airport and pick you up. Now, we're going to do something right now that nobody does to every one of their cars in inventory. This car is going to go up on the lift, and we're going to get underside and take a look right now. All right, we're underneath the Vette now, and man, it is pretty under here. Now, there is a tire in the spare tire holder, and it does have the aluminum wheel on it, which is very cool. You can see that the spring pack's been rebuilt. It's got the isolators in it. Looks like all the bushings are new. We definitely got new nuts and bolts and cotter pins and everything back here. You can see it's nicely restored under here. Now the date codes on the rear end housing and everything line up, so we do believe this is the original rear end housing. It does have a 350 gear in it, and it is posi, guys. You can see the raw fiberglass on the floors looking good. Now on all these vets, you vet guys already know this, but you gotta check this corner right here. Again, the tires threw shit up here all when if the cars were driven. So this is a really important spot to look at on every Corvette. As a matter of fact, that's the first thing I look at when we're buying a car. Again, the fiberglass is all nice and clean here. Cross member looks good. I mean, everything under here is looking sweet. Now, the transmission is date code correct, and the VIN number is stamped on the transmission. Stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage here. The car does have power steering. The guys do go through and check out all the steering gear, make sure it's in good shape. It does look like there's fairly new shocks on the car also. And again, up front here, a lot of brand new cotter pins and stuff, so it has gone through. Looks like new backing plates here on the disc brakes up front. I mean, everything here is looking sweet. Looks like the bushings and the sway bar are new. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. Now on these wheels, we have a picture of the stamping or the casting on the back side. It's in the website at vanguardmotorsales.com, and there is the little lip right here. The knockoffs do have some stampings on the back. I do believe these are original wheels. I'll let you make the judge. We've got the cover-ups here on the side pipes looking good. Again, frame looking beautiful here, all painted up, looking good. Out back here, these tires are brand new. You can see the nubs are still on them. And again, the wheel is in beautiful shape. Looking good here. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got the numbers matching 427, 390 horse. We have identified the suffix number on the block and the date code on the block. Everything lines up. Now it's got the 585 carburetor, but it is not the original one for the car. You can see that it's got power brakes, looks like a brand new booster there. All the clamps on the hoses, the GM markings on the hoses, at least on most of them, it's got GM markings on the hoses here. The car is an air-conditioned car. I told you earlier that this is the numbers matching motor, but that is kind of a big deal. A lot of guys, especially the 4-speed cars, guys miss second gear and blow the motor to holy heck. Everything under here is looking good. The radiator's in good shape. Fan clutch looks good. All the wiring looks good. I mean, just everything about this car is absolutely beautiful, guys. So give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.